I just wanna be happy, happy tonight.
Hey guys, welcome back to Glitter Girls Rock. My name is Bella, and today we are here doing another makeup tutorial because you guys seem to really like the last one, second makeup tutorial. And today we are here doing this makeup tutorial with my new bird, Mango. So, Mango is my new bird. We don't know if it's a girl or a boy yet. So if you want to keep updated on how Mango is doing and like daily routines and just watch videos of Mango, then go subscribe to my channel right here in the corner where I'm pointing. It's called The Crazy Parrot Lady, and I post videos of all my birds there, and we have lots of fun, and all of the videos are super funny, and I recommend that you go check it out if you want to see more videos of my birds and Mango. So now, let's get on with the makeup tutorial. So we are going to start with this darker lipstick. It's really pretty. I really like this color. We're going to start with the darker one, and then we're going to layer on the lighter one. And I think it's probably going to look really pretty, so let's hope for the best. Alright, so that's the second layer, and this is the finished product of the lipstick. I really like it, and ow, Mango, stop biting my ear. So now we're going to do the mascara. It's upside down. So that is the mascara. It's all done. Now it's looking great, and we're moving on to the blush. So we're just going to apply it like this in upward strokes, like this. And try not to put too much, or it might start looking a little bit crazy. Just put some here, and of course some on the other cheek. Wouldn't want to have just one cheek done. Ow, Mango, stop biting my ear. Now, just put a tiny bit on your forehead. And go right here, go right here, and you're done. So this is the finished product of the makeup look, everyone. I really like it, and I would suggest that you try doing this because it was so much fun, and it was also a lot of fun to do it with my bird, except for the fact that he or she was trying to bite my ear constantly. Like, it was really annoying, but other than that, it was lots of fun doing it with my birds. So I hope you liked the video. Please like and subscribe and put those notification bells on because you want to get notified whenever I post another video so that you don't miss whenever I post another makeup tutorial that's like super awesome, you know? And again, don't forget to visit my other channel, The Crazy Parrot Lady, if you want to see more videos about this little guy and my other bird. And birds, not bird. I have more than one bird. So I have Sienna and a bunch of budgies too. And I make videos of all of them on my channel, so you should visit my channel and check it out. Bye, Glitter Nation!